There's certain blind spots that's a given with these trucks. It's like I can't, from the window, your window, to the front plow, I can't see the roadway because that's a blind spot. Another blind spot would be behind us. Just be patient with us. In the tow plow, you can't see anything behind that tow plow. It just, the way it's all designed, you have to utilize our mirrors to see through some of our blind spots beside a plow truck, especially on the right-hand side, and especially the trucks that have the wings. The wings will block some of that view off to that side. As an operator and you're looking across, your mirror is looking directly into that wing plow on the right-hand side of the truck. So when it's in the up position, that's another blind spot. And also these trucks sit so high also, so if you're parked on either or beside us in the front, a smaller car, you can barely see over the dash down on the ground.